So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn a very important process and two commands. That is how to make AutoCAD faster. So basically, there are two main things that can actually three main things that can make your AutoCAD work faster. It is the first that we'll use is the overkill command. I've also made say separate videos. So let's just suppose that this is the whole your file. Okay, you just have to type the command overkill, just pressing enter and just press OK. And as you can see, my file has been good enough. So only two duplicate objects were found. Okay, and 98 objects were found. In that, two duplicate objects were found. Okay, so that was deleted by the software itself. So hence the extra things that were not needed in the file was deleted. The second step that you have to do is you have to write the purge command. The purge command will do is delete all the unnecessary things in including all the blocks, detail view styles, dimension styles, groups, layers, line types, materials, mine styles, lead styles, plot styles, section view styles, shapes, table styles, text styles, visual styles. In short, everything that is not necessary for the file will be deleted by the purge command. And you just have to click here, purge all, and purge this item. And right now, there is no purgeable objects seen in the file. Okay, that means my file is all good and it is in the fastest stage possible. But this is a step that you have to follow to make your file work more faster. The third and the last step is the audit command. The audit as in the finance audit. So it will ask you that you want to fix any errors that is detected. Just press on the drop down and press yes. So right now again, no errors found, zero fixed, zero erased. If your file will contain any error or any object that is not necessary, this file this command will keep your file perfect and fix all the errors in the file. Errors, that is the hatch is not complete, the line is not joined, the line is overlapping. Audit is the boss of all the commands, but you have to follow the steps. First is the overkill command, second is the purge command, and third is the audit command. After applying all the three, your file will only contain the things that are necessary and will not contain anything that is not necessary. Okay, so that was it for the video. So you learned that how to make AutoCAD faster. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.